Chris from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. This is in the afternoon of the first day. What I do is I stay down. I'm not like a jack-in-a-box. When I was 30 or 35, yes, I'd be up and down, up and down, up and down getting tiles. But as you get older, you use your brains a bit and you have them right there all the time. My tiles are right beside me all the time. You DIYs, you're not used to up and down all the time. Think about it a little bit and you're home and hosed. I've been doing this for 35 years and I love it. But my back and my knees would be stuffed by now if I was up, down, up, down, up, down all the time. I just put that aside. As it dries, that cardboard is a little bit easier to come off. And the big thing is, it's not a race. You put them down nicely. Make sure every one that you put down is bang on, and you end up with a beautiful floor. Always looking at my corners as I go. Always taking the glue out. That's most important. If you want a nice clean floor, that is what you must do. Every tile. Don't be in such a rush that you haven't got time to do it. You have. Because trying to get dry glue out before you grout is a real pain. Beautiful. Beautiful, tell your mum. So you just go like this all day. And you'll be surprised how you get your floor down. It is easier going over tiles that have been laid well. It helps a lot. I haven't had to check it like, say, a concrete floor that could be up and down. This being tiled, it's pretty flat already. so I'm lucky. I stay down on my knees. Got to get that cardboard off. That's a no-no. Uh-oh, I haven't got any clips in there. I'll quickly bang some in. Beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, push the bell, and every 2 days you'll see what I'm up to. Look at that. Beautiful. I like it a lot. I know the owners will be absolute over the moon when they see this finished floor. They're next door watching telly at the moment. They've had to wait a little while, 7 weeks, until I was able to get here. But they know it's all going to be worth it. Pushka. One more tile and then I'll turn it off. I don't want to bore you. This is all sort of a bit of repetition. Right, no cardboard on the tile. Clips are in. Let's pop it down. The biggest thing is you always start off straight. You must be straight and square. Same as when you know, when you're doing your walls. If you're dead straight and level, you always plumb. Cool. Look at that. Beautiful. You know, like you'd hear a noise. If there is a lip in that tile, you'd hear a noise in the bucket. No noise, Charlie. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.